to optimize your Instagram to attract more followers and views, if you want your Instagram to become a follower magnet for you, this video is definitely for you. I actually had my Instagram account to about like 7K. That was like last year. Yeah, until I was just having issues because the account was used wrongly when I started some years ago. So I was just trying to like recover it, to grow it, and then I was really struggling with it. So I had to like start from the scratch. And then I started from the scratch, like I think earlier this year, and I've been able to like grow my Instagram, build a community, and gain followers literally every freaking day. So I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can be able to optimize your Instagram so that it can be attracting followers for you. You don't even have to always be active for this thing to happen. You just have to like follow the steps that I'm going to like show you, because basically these steps and strategies I'm going to be sharing with you is actually like what I use for my clients as well, and what I share with my friends. I remember one of my friends telling me that, oh my god, that she has been getting followers even when she's not like as active as ever. And I really love it for her because I understand how much important it is for you to like start getting followers. So many people struggle with it. And if you're one of those people that struggle to gain follower, and if like sometimes you're losing followers and then you're like, well, this Instagram is not for me, that changes today, because we're going to be talking about exactly what you have to do to be able to use your profile to start attracting followers. That means anyone that sees your profile is going to follow you right away. If that is what you're interested in, make sure to watch this video to the very end so that you can gain the skills, the strategies, and everything that you need to make it happen. Hi, my name is Tiffany. I'm a social media manager. I've been a social media manager for like 4 to 5 years now, and I've really learned a lot helping myself and my clients. I understand how difficult it has been lately for you to grow on social media because of the whole competition and everything. And knowing that social media can actually like build your dream life for you, help you to grow your business, monetize, make more money. I know that we all need to actually like have a good social media presence that will like help us advance in life. And that is exactly why I created this channel, to be able to teach you how to use social media the right way. So if you're interested in learning how to become a social media manager, how to grow in social media on any platform, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, what have you, this channel is for you. And all you have to do right now is to make sure you subscribe right now to join the community, and then turn on the post notification so that you can be notified whenever there is a new post every Thursday. That will be very helpful to you. Now let's quickly dive in on what you need to be able to optimize your Instagram right now. The first thing is to have a clear profile picture, or to have a good logo. Let's say you're a business, you need a logo, you don't need a profile picture. You have to use your business logo that can be recognized on every social media platform. But if you don't have a business and you want to like maybe grow your personal brand and all that, all you need is a clear profile picture that will show your face, that make people like see you exactly, so that whenever they see a picture of you on any platform, or they even see you in person, they can recognize you. After having a profile picture, you need a good username. I get that a lot of people make mistake of using any kind of username. Yes, I get it. Maybe your name is Stacy, you decide to like just write Stacy, but your username actually needs to have a keyword for people to find you, because yeah, you're not like a celebrity yet, or if you are, people already would be following you. You will not be here like watching this video. So if your name is Stacy, for an example, and you use it on your Instagram, it will not be easy for people to find you, talk more of them like following you, because they don't know you yet. So if you want people to actually find you, for you to optimize your Instagram, you have to actually add keywords to your name. What do I mean? For an example, again, your name is Stacy and you are a lifestyle creator. You can say Stacy and then you put a stroke beside Stacy, and then you write lifestyle creator. If you're a business owner and your business is about clothing, like you're a clothing brand, you can write your business name and again put stroke and then put clothing brand. This is going to make the algorithm know where to categorize your profile when people are searching for it. That is exactly why when you go on Instagram right now and you search for a particular thing, you'll notice that Instagram will start suggesting accounts that have the name of that thing that you're searching for on their names, because those profile actually optimize their profile. So if you want you to be suggested as well, you have to make sure that you add the keywords of what you do. Don't just add any irrelevant keywords. Add keyword of what you do. Like if you go and search for me on Instagram right now, you're going to realize that on my name, if you check, my name is Tiffany Social to start with. Then my username, you're going to see Tiffany Social Media Manager. So whenever you're searching for a social media manager, the algorithm already knows that they have to like categorize me and list me among the social media managers, period. So if that is what you want, you have to make sure you do this. Number two is bio optimization. You need to have a bio that tells people who you are, what you do, and why they should follow you. That means what you can do for them. The reason why this is important is that when people come to your profile, the first thing they look at after your profile picture is your bio, because your bio should give them information about you. And that information is what will determine if they're going to like follow you or not. Because once they see that information, they will now know that, okay, this is something that I'm interested in, then I need to like give this person a follow. If it's not what they're interested in, they're going to like scroll past. That is exactly why you see yourself you're not getting followers. If your bio does not explain exactly who you are and what you do and what you can do for people, that might be the reason why you're losing a lot of followers. So if you go to my page right now, you can see that I am here to teach you how to use social media the right way, sharing social media tips and all of that. I'm a social media manager. So you know exactly who I am and what you'll be getting from me if you follow me. And that is exactly why people keep hitting the follow button. So if you want the same, you have to make sure that you write your bio telling exactly who you are, what you do, and what you can do for people that are going to follow you. So if you need a guide on how to write a perfect bio, you can leave me a comment below. So maybe I can create a video around it to help you out. Again, in your bio, you need to add keywords. This is also going to like help the username keywords, make it easier for the algorithm to actually categorize your content. That is why I said if you go to my bio, you will see that, oh, I'm a social media manager. I'm here to teach you how to use social media the right way. I am here to share social media tips and all of that. Those particular words you're going to be seeing in my bio, they are keywords, because every day people are searching for social media tips, social media managers. So it is already enough to actually like tell the algorithm to categorize me under a particular search that people are searching for to find people like me. So that is why it's very important for you to actually add keywords to your bio when you are writing your bio. So don't just use words that have no keywords, because if you just use random words that have no keywords, the algorithm is not going to know how to do that for you, like to categorize you. So you have to make sure that you use keywords on your bio or in your bio. Yeah. Now, the next thing is to have a call to action, and this is exactly where so many people miss it. They have an Instagram page that does not even tell people what they want those people to do. If you have an Instagram page and you don't have a call to action, after people have seen your profile picture, write your bio, and then you don't tell them what to do next, they're going to leave. Do you get? So if you want them to actually like stick around, make sure to give them an instruction, a simple instruction. Like if you check my page again, you're going to see book a call, book a free discovery call, and all of that. So if you're a business owner, you can use a call to action like visit the website to shop now, or shop now, place your order, all of that. That is a call to action. So you need to use a call to action to be able to tell people what you want them to do. And if you don't tell them, they're not going to do nothing. Trust me. So that is why you have to like put it right there. Number three is link strategy. You actually have to use links on your profile. You can use Linktree. You can use Beacon links. This kind of like platforms can actually help you put all your social media platform in their platform, so that whenever you share the link on any platform and someone clicks on it, they are going to now gain access to every other thing you do. Maybe TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn. Do you understand what I mean? So you can actually leverage it to be able to like circulate your Instagram audience to reach other social media platforms that you're really active on. So this way you're not just growing on Instagram, you can also grow on all those other platforms. And remember, make sure to make your URL link very clean. You can even make it branded so that whenever someone sees your link, they know that this is your link, and then they're not going to be worried about scam and all of that. They can just use your link and go and find what they are looking for regarding who you are. That brings us to number four, highlight and stories. This is actually very important, and so many people are missing out on this. This might even be the reason why people don't buy from you, people don't support you. Like the endless opportunity that comes from having your story highlights is so freaking is a lot. Do you understand? So the thing is, you need to actually leverage story highlights and making sure to have a clean, aesthetically pleasing story cover. Now, what is this Instagram story highlight, story cover, and all of that? If you check on Instagram, I'm going to put it on screen right now. You're going to see those circular stuff under your bio. Now, what you are going to use these things to do is to make sure that you are highlighting important things that you want your followers, your audience, anyone that visits your page to look at. So if you're a business or you are like a service-based person, whatever, you can highlight your reviews, your testimonials of the product that you're offering, everything that is really important to you, anything that you do that you want people to like notice. That is why it's called highlights, because when you highlight them, that is actually one of the first things people are going to see after seeing your profile, your bio. That is the third thing they're going to see. So you have to make sure that you're highlighting important things. That is why I'm recommending like your testimonials, the services that you offer, what you do, all of that. And now you might ask me, where do you get the story covers? It is very, very easy. All you have to do is to go on Canva. It is actually free. Canva is a free and paid platform that you can actually leverage. So you go on Canva right now and search for Instagram story covers. They are going to suggest a lot. All you just have to do is to pick the one that suits your taste, change the color to your brand color, because yeah, right now you need to have a brand color to make your page really aesthetically pleasing, you get. So just put on your brand color and write and type what you want to type. Let's say testimonials, services and all of that. Then you save it to your phone and it's going to be in that circular form. So when you make the post, all you just have to do is that go to your stories, post what you want to post, and then whenever you have posted on your stories, you can now highlight them through your story highlight and then put the cover as the cover of it. Simple. And it also makes your Instagram really, really organized. So you have to really try this. Give it a try, because this can actually be the reason why people trust you, people buy from you, and people even support you. Yeah, you just have to do it. I do it for my clients most of the time and for myself. You can look at it right now. Now, this is my favorite part, number five, engagement and consistency. This is where you have to like make sure you're posting high quality content, your reels, your carousel, your stories, even interactive posts that will make people like engage with you, asking them questions, using polls, using stickers. Whenever you're creating valuable content, trust me, your audience are going to like love it, because people are not going to follow you when you have nothing that you're offering to them. Let's be for real. Anybody you have ever followed on social media, there's a reason why you follow them. Maybe they are making you laugh through their content, they are posting something valuable that you can learn from, all of that. So you have to do the same if you want to grow on Instagram, because let me tell you, content is actually the currency of Instagram. In fact, of social media in general. So if this is what you want, you have to make sure you create quality content. Now let's dig into engagement. Engagement is actually like my favorite part. I'm not even going to lie. I know that this is where so many people miss it. Yeah, all of us like we can be lazy. We all want the comment, we all want the likes, we all want the followers, but like we are not ready to give it. But let me be for real. Social media is actually social media for a reason. Like that means social media is for us to interact, for us to be friends, for us to like be social and all of that. So that is why engagement is very important. If you're posting content on Instagram and you're not engaging, your reach, your views are actually going to be low, because the algorithm actually favors pages and accounts that are really, really engaging. That is why you wonder how some people have a lot of comments, a lot of followers. Yeah, because when you are engaging, you are letting the algorithm know that, oh, hi, see me, I'm active. And when you are engaging, you are letting your followers, their followers, and literally everybody to notice that, yeah, you are that person, you are here. When you're not engaging, it's just like you're telling people, no, I'm not here, I'm sleeping, and nobody wants to disturb you if you're sleeping. So for real, if you want to grow, you have to engage. And how can you engage? Make sure that you're engaging with your followers. Respond to comment, respond to your DMs. Don't leave your DMs empty. I know that a lot of you guys stop snobbing people, but like you cannot even grow in this life when you're not interacting with people. So make sure that you respond to your DMs. Also, like engage with the followers, your competitors, your followers. So that's what you do. Even people that are not following you, because the more you're engaging with them, the more your followers are noticing you, and eventually they will check you out. So this always works. Engagement, trust me. There's no how you engage for 30 days and you will not be seen. There's no how you engage without actually growing. It's not possible. So make sure you give this a try. And then when you do, you give me feedback on how it worked out for you. This is a gift I give for everyone that will get to this last part, because trust me, this tip is the tea. Like this tip is actually like something that we social media managers use that bring the real result. Yeah, all these other ones help a lot, but if you want a faster result, you have to make sure to do this last one I'm going to share with you, which is hashtags and SEO, like keywords. Yeah, hashtags and keywords. Right now, content are being categorized. To make it easier for your content to become visible, for your page to become visible, you need to actually start using the right keywords. Yeah. But let's be for real. What is even SEO? SEO is just as simple as search engine optimization. So if you want your content, your page to be found easily, that is why you need SEO. That's why you need phrases. And I understand the word might actually like look stressful to you, but no, it's as simple as using the words that people are searching for relating to what your content is about, put it in your content, and then it will make it easier for the algorithm to know where to categorize your content on. And if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be creating a video about it. Let me a comment, but I'm going to be sharing the video soon. Just ask me any question you have regarding it. I'll eventually create a video about it and I'll share it with you guys. This is exactly why you have to like subscribe and turn on post notification because you never know when I'm going to be sharing it. You get. So now let's talk about the hashtags. So many people are like hashtags are dead, hashtag don't work. No, hashtags are not dead. You are the one that is using it wrongly. If you use hashtag the right way, trust me, you're going to start seeing results. You're going to notice that a lot of people are suddenly finding you on Instagram. So that is why you don't use like generic hashtag. Like I see people always using hashtag like FYP, explore. What is that? What are you talking about? Those hashtags are saturated, they are irrelevant. If you're getting it, you're even wasting your time. It's even better not to use it than when you use it. So when you want to use hashtag, you have to use the right hashtag. And the hashtag has to be related to what your topic is about. Now, when it comes to hashtag, we have the niche related hashtag, the topic related hashtag, the industry related hashtag. So make sure that all the hashtag that you're going to be using is going to be revolving around this hashtag that I just mentioned. And let me tell you, your hashtag don't have to be more than 5 anymore. Things have changed, algorithm have changed. So when you use 5 hashtag at least, you are going to get the result that you're looking for. But when you like use over 20, 30 hashtag, you're going to confuse the algorithm. They won't even know where to put your content on that. Do you understand? Now let's talk about keywords, the SEO I was talking about. These are phrases that people are searching for regarding the content that you're creating. So all you have to do is that let's say I want to create a content. For an example, I want to create a content about how to grow on LinkedIn. Instead of just posting the content, I just have to go on YouTube, go on Google, go on TikTok, and type on the search bar how to grow on LinkedIn. It's going to suggest phrases that are similar to it that people are searching for. And all I have to do is to copy it and put it on my content, put it in the caption, put it on my screen. It is going to make it easier. When you put it on your screen, you have to like take it off your screen, but like it's still going to be there, but it's not going to be on the main screen and distracting people from watching your video. You get me? So that is what you're going to do. And the algorithm is going to now know that, okay, this is where we have to like categorize our content under. And once your content is categorized on Instagram, my God, even on any social media platform, you can use this strategy for any platform as well. You're going to definitely notice that your content will not be seen by non-followers, people that don't even know you, that are not following you. And that is exactly how you grow because the more people see you, the more they follow you, the more they trust you, period. So finally, we got to the end of this video and I'm so freaking excited. Trust me, you are going to start growing on Instagram right now if you start applying the tips. The one thing I don't want you to do is to postpone it to say you're going to start tomorrow, next week. No, start now, write out the tips that you learned and start applying it. You see how I broke it down? It's very, very simple. There are going to be chapters in this video to even make it easier for you to go and pick up the point and then start applying it. Because if you hear a lot of tips and you don't take action, you're not going to grow. So the problem is not in actually paying attention and hearing the tips. The real deal is in taking action. So you have to take action to start growing. And trust me, I know that you're going to start growing in 30 days if you apply the tips that I just shared with you because it works for me, it works for my clients, it works for my friends that I share it with. So why won't it work for you? Go ahead right now and start using it. So, but before you go, you want to learn more about how to grow on social media, everything social media monetize, become a social media manager like me, whatever. Make sure to subscribe right now and turn on the post notification so you don't miss another helpful video just like this one. And I would like to see you in my next video. Bye.